Already this year, it's it's only been 8 days, and it's been pretty rough for some folks. There's been a lot to deal with in a very short period of time, and so this is just a little reminder to practice the things, go out of your way to practice the things that bring you joy. This is all winter long. Some birds flee winter, some stay. All sing all winter long. That's all winter long from my book, Sacredness of Mountain Solitude. You know where it is. Anyway, I wish you a day filled with love, joy, peace, beauty, bliss, and wisdom. I'll see you soon.